Good morning, class 4th. Today again we have started chapter number 5, that is the respiratory and the circulatory systems. At the last time we have discussed the circulatory system and their different parts, and today we have learned about the blood vessels and the heart. Our blood is a red liquid that flow around the body in the blood vessels, and it is a medium through which different substances like the digest food, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. are transported throughout the body. And the blood flow across the body in the tubes are called the blood vessels. Again I have repeated, blood flow across the body in the tubes called the blood vessels, and there are three kinds of the blood vessels. First one is the arteries, second one is the veins, and the third one is the capillaries. Arteries are thick-walled blood vessels that carry pure blood away from the heart to all parts of the body, and these blood contain oxygen and nutrients from the digest food. And the second one is the veins, are the thin-walled blood vessels that carry impure blood containing carbon dioxide and other waste back to the heart. And the last one is the capillary. Capillary are a narrow and a thin blood vessels. They have very thin walls. Nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other waste material can pass through their walls. Again, I have repeated about the arteries, vein, and the capillaries. Arteries are the thin-walled and walled vessels, and that carries the pure blood, and this blood contains oxygen and the nutrients from the digest food. And the veins are the thin-walled blood vessels that carry impure blood which contains carbon dioxide and the other waste back to the heart. And the last one is the capillaries. It are narrow and the thin blood vessels, and they have very thin walls. Nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and the other waste material can pass through their walls. Here it is a kind of a blood vessels, arteries and the veins. Arteries, it is the carry oxygen rich blood away from the heart to the parts of the body, and the veins, it is the carry waste products from all parts of the body back to the heart. And your next topic is the heart. Here it is the structure of a human heart. The heart is a first size organ in your chest, and it protected by the rib cage, and it beats about 72 minutes times a minute throughout your life, and it works like a pump to send blood through blood vessels, and it pump blood to the every part of the body. And the heart are divided into 4 chambers. 2 upper chambers are auricles, that is the right auricles and the left auricles, and the lower chambers are ventricles, right ventricles and the left ventricles. And some facts about that chapter is the circulatory systems consist of the blood vessels and the heart, and the blood flow across the body in the tubes called the blood vessels, and the heart contains 2 upper chambers called auricles and the 2 lower chambers called ventricles. And class, today I have bando session here, and today's your question is match the following: column A and the column B. Column A, nose, trachea, lungs, veins and the arteries, and the second one is the carry oxygen rich blood to all the body parts. B, carry carbon dioxide rich blood back to the heart. C, take air down to the lungs, and the D1 is the exchange of gas takes place, and the last one is the inhaling and the exhaling. Okay, thank you class, and we have meet in your next video.